Welcome to Math Challenge 453. In Math Challenge 453, we have a scalene triangle. As you can see, the triangle is scalene. All the sides are of unequal lengths, 13 meters, 14 meters, and 15 meters. And inside the scalene triangle, you have got a square. Inside the scalene triangle, one square is there, and we have to find the length of the side of the square. We have to find the length of each side of the square. For all quantitative and numerical aptitude tests, Math Challenge 453. Math is where beauty, logic, and simplicity converge into a passion. Now, since we know the lengths of all the sides of the triangle, we can calculate the area using Heron's formula, square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. When you know the length of all the three sides of a triangle, you can calculate the area using Heron's formula. Here S semi-perimeter is 13 plus 14 plus 15 by 2, that is 21. So square root of 21 into 21 minus 13, 21 minus 15, 21 minus 14 is giving you 84. So 84 is the area of the triangle as calculated by using Heron's formula. So first we use Heron's formula to calculate the area of the triangle, and we get the area of the triangle as 84. The area of triangle 84. Now from the vertex we draw a perpendicular to the base. It won't bisect the base because it is not an isosceles triangle. It's not an equilateral triangle, so it won't bisect the base, but it is a perpendicular. The altitude we are drawing. So from the vertex, we are drawing a perpendicular to the base of the triangle. See the dotted line. Now, since area can also be given as half base into altitude, so 84 is half into 14 into h. H is the altitude. H is the altitude, the length of the dotted line, the perpendicular we have drawn. So area of the triangle is also given by half into base into altitude. So 84, that was the area. That should be equal to half into base 14 into altitude h. So 84 is equal to half into 14 into h. Half into 14 is 7. So 7h equal to 84, or h equal to 12. So 12 is the altitude of this triangle. First we calculated the area using Heron's formula 84. Now we are saying 84 is equal to the other formula for area of triangle, half into base into altitude. So 84 is equal to half of base 14 into altitude h. So putting half into 14 into h equal to 84, we get h equal to 12. 12 is the altitude of this triangle. Now this figure can be divided into two parts. See, we have shaded them differently, the different colors. The top is a pink triangle and the bottom is a blue trapezium. The top is a pink triangle and the bottom is a blue trapezium. So the sum of the areas of these two should be equal to the area of this triangle. The area of the full triangle should be equal to the area of this pink triangle plus the area of the trapezium. So if we add, we should get it equal to 84. Now suppose x is the side. Each side of the square is x. So this will be x. So the remaining altitude will be 12 minus x. The total altitude 12 we calculated. The total altitude 12 we already calculated. So if the total altitude is 12 and this, the side of the square is x, then the remaining must be 12 minus x. So area of the pink triangle will be half into base into height, that is half into x, that is the base. X is the top side of the square. Half into x into 12 minus x. And area of the trapezium will be half into sum of parallel sides, that is x and 14. X and 14. So into the altitude, that is x. So area of pink triangle, half into base. Base is the bottom side of the top side of the square. So half into base into height, that is half into x, into this part is 12 minus x. And area of trapezium, half into sum of parallel sides, that is x plus 14 into the altitude, which is x. So half into x plus 14 into x. So we will add these two and equate it with the area of the triangle, which is 84. So we got the area of triangle and the area of trapezium. So take half x common, take out half into x as common. The remaining part is 12 minus x plus 14. So minus x plus x cancels, 12 plus 14, 26. So half into x into 26, that is 13x. But the total area is 84. So 13x equal to 84. X will be 84 divided by 13, approximately 6.46 meters. So 6.46 meters is the side of the square, which is x. We took it as x. The side of the square is 6.46 meters. We add the area of the triangle and the area of the trapezium. So both of them has the factors half and x. So half into x we take out as common, and the remaining factor, two of the factors are common, half and x, that we take out as common. The third factor, 12 minus x, and here x plus 14. When we add, minus x plus x cancels, 12 plus 14, 26. So half into x into 26, that is 13x. So 13x is equal to the area of the full triangle 84. So x is equal to 6.46 meters. That is the side of the square.
Was that interesting? If you have any other method, we would love to learn from you. We shall come back with more interesting videos. Like, share the videos, and subscribe to our channel if you are a math lover. Till then, goodbye.